Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that deserve your hard-earned money. In today's video, we are going to break down the top 3 shower systems available on the market. Our team has reviewed many products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our ranking based on many factors such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation. So watch this video till the end. At number 3. SR Sunrise Bathroom Wall-Mounted Shower System. It has been designed with your needs in mind and provides you with the best possible experience. This product is easy to install, making it easier for you to enjoy better bathing experiences at home. This unit includes a wall-mounted shower head as well as an adjustable arm that can be used for positioning purposes. There are also 2 hand showers included, which are perfect for rinsing off soap or shampoo from your hair. This shower system has a rainfall head, which provides an incredible water experience with its powerful jets of water. At number 2. American Standard Spectra Versa System. It also has a built-in shelf for storing shampoo bottles, soaps, or other products. This arm can be adjusted to 3 different positions, lowered for bathing children. There is an overhead rain shower head with 4 spray settings: full body spray, concentrated massage, wide coverage, and gentle rinse. It has an 8 high profile, which means the height of the water coming out of the spout will be higher than on traditional models. It comes with 2 sets of diverters to choose from, depending on your preferences. One for a stationary head and another for hand shower only use. At number 1. SOKA 10 inches Rain Shower System. It is a new age rain shower system that provides an invigorating and relaxing experience. Its head of the system can be customized to match your preferences, with options for rainfall, overhead, or handheld. It includes 2 detachable shower heads that provide coverage over a large surface area and come with a hose and sprayer attachment for hands-free operation. It features an 8-inch rain-style spray face, with adjustable height to suit your preference. This system includes the following: the handheld shower head, elbow adapter, wall bracket, pipe connector, and washers for installation. That's all. You can see the latest prices and find out more information about the products we mentioned in this video using the links below in the description, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching our video. Until next time, have a nice day.